Hey everyone, welcome back to a new vlog. Today I'll be showing you how I created this ponytail using the Tangle Teezer Ultimate Styler brush. I'm showing you guys the brush up close so you guys can see what I'm working with. So it's really lightweight. You guys can see the handle's really thin and comfortable, and the groove in the middle is really good for like getting rid of like dirty hair. I know you guys know those hairbrushes that get really gunky and yucky. So today I'm essentially going to be creating the ponytail look you guys saw at the start of this clip. So I'm going to start by using the Ultimate Styler to dry style and smooth my hair into a ponytail, and you guys know I have type 4 natural hair, so the brush works on all hair types. I'm applying some hair gel and using the Ultimate Styler to essentially brush the product through my hair to smooth my hair cuticle and to give me a very sleek ponytail, a really cute updo, which is what the brush was designed for. Here you'll see how versatile the Ultimate Styler is as I use it to smooth through my hair extensions. And now I'm going in with a curling wand to create some tight curls, and I'll then be using my Ultimate Styler to essentially brush these out to create some really beautiful mermaid soft waves. So I'm just curling my hair now. And then I'm taking the Ultimate Styler and smoothing it through, and as you guys can see, I get some really beautiful soft curls as a result of using the Ultimate Styler to brush through my tight curls. I'm just showing you guys the result of doing one curls and then brushing them out using the Ultimate Styler brush. As you guys can see, I'm brushing through my hair extensions, my ponytail, and it also works super well with my natural hair. So this Ultimate Styler brush is super versatile and works on all hair textures. So here is the finished product. As you guys can see, I've created this really cool ponytail. It's sort of 90s y2k vibes, and I managed to do it all using the Ultimate Styler brush. I love how sleek and shiny my ponytail is. I love that my natural hair is laid, and I also love the way it smooths through my hair extensions. Thank you so much to Tangle Teezer for sponsoring today's video, and on to the vlog.
Good morning, guys. So sorry for the bathroom lighting, but my skin is so dry, so I'm actually going to just quickly do my hydrating skincare routine, which is with my toner from Dr. Jart. And I really like this toner. My skin, I literally was like, I got out of the shower and I was like, oh my god, your skin. So that's exactly what we're doing right now. So I like to use my hands to apply my toner just because it's more I just feel like your skin absorbs products better rather than using a cotton pad. It's also better for the environment. And then I'm going to use my Glow Recipe hyaluronic acid. My Star products, the Pixie Phenomenal Gel. Then one of my SPFs, the Estee Lauder Perfectionist Pro. Okay, I'm all done now, so I'm just gonna go and make some breakfast, which is really just coffee.
Okay guys, I had to come outside in better lighting so you could see that my skin looks so much better. Now we are going to also take care of my hair. I'm going to do a ponytail today, but I want to do one with, like, you know, the side fringe. I think that's really cute. So that's basically the plan. I just finished doing my hair. My boyfriend's come to visit me. He's in the shower. Don't mind him.
It's so beautiful. So yeah, thank you so much to Tangle Teezer for sponsoring today's video. I'm about to get ready, well, finish getting ready and head out to the museum. We're gonna go to the gallery today and like do other cute things. So yeah, that's the plan. So I'm just going to do my lashes. I think I may do a bun, but I really like this front piece, but we'll see what vibe I'm on. Hey guys, so I'm ready. I've come back on a different vibe. I cut it shorter and I put it in a bun because it's so windy and like, yeah. So I'm wearing these Zara glasses, which I bought by accident. I didn't really want them, but I'm gonna make it work because I lost the receipt. I think a part of me wants to wear my Bottegas, but they're too heavy and I'm gonna be walking a lot, so I'm not gonna do that to myself. So yeah. Cake shop.
Also get Caribbean food there as well.
Exactly. Wow. Hey guys, I'm on the train. My hair looks really flat, but can you see my hair? It's at the back. I've never done this hairstyle before, which is odd for me because I feel like I've done every hairstyle ever. But we're almost there. We're on the Victoria line. It was really lovely. It had like a lot of different forms of media, which I loved. So there was like film, there was pictures, sculptures, all kinds of different things, which I was really happy with. So yeah, I'm just gonna go home and cook food. Actually, I want some, I'm not sure, I kind of want lentils. I love a lentil curry. One thing about me, I'm eating lentil curry. Also guys, I got rained on, as you can see by like the state of my hair. So let's just tuck her behind, and yeah, it's still cute though, so I'm not really mad at it. But yeah, that's basically the plan. I'm gonna go home and make some lentil curry and buy some plantain and make a flatbread to eat with my roti. SW1, it's really cute. It literally just finished raining a whole bunch, but it's still really cute. So back home I go. Hey guys, I'm back home now and I'm so tired. I literally came home, washed my face, took all my clothes off, like, oh, so tired. My closet is a mess. I'm actually about to tidy my closet, and that's gonna be me for the night. I'm gonna be honest with all of you. Yeah, I'm just so tired. I did meal prep this week, so I'm gonna actually eat my meal prep, which is chicken and rice and broccoli. Nothing exciting, but it's about feeding yourself, isn't it? So that's the plan. I'm just gonna spend some time tidying my wardrobe. But the exhibition today was so good. Like I said earlier in the vlog, like it was just such a nice exhibition. I'm trying to like give you guys a little setup so you guys can see as I'm clearing away my closet. Alright, that will have to do, guys. I'm gonna just get a little bit of footage, but these trousers I got from Charlotte Knowles, they're so cool. They're like leggings, but this is how they look. I really like them. I got them in XS. I need more hangers. I don't have enough hangers, so I'm gonna order some on Amazon. And I'm just gonna put away like my boots and things, which go at the bottom. I wanted to get shelves on the other side of my wall to put like all my shoes up, which I still might do, but I'm gonna wait and see like how long I actually stay here, because I may end up moving, so I'm gonna just like see how I feel. But yeah, I do want not really display, like more for storage, because I'm not sure if I want to have everything like displayed out. Do you know what I mean? Not me gasping for breath, but so yes, I've got some stuff that I bought that I need to put away. Gym kit, lots and lots of things and stuff basically. I'm on my way to shop. I also want to go to Diesel because the new collection was so good that I want to know if it's in stores. I didn't even check if it's in stores. Anyway, that's the plan. I want to go to Selfridges. I want to shop and do stuff. So if you like my hair, I did it on Instagram Live and everyone was like, oh, your hair looks like a helicopter. However, after I finished it, they were like, oh, we see the vision. Guys, naturally my camera died, so now I'm vlogging on my phone. But like I was saying, I'm going shopping. So far all I've done is go to Boots. I had to pick up some things to film a video, but other than that I'm even gasping for breath and I've done nothing. Anyway, I'm about to look for the Diesel store now. Hey guys, so I've made it to Kanadaya, a ramen place, and I've got some ginger beer, hot ginger beer, and yeah, I'm gonna just have ramen before I go home. I forgot to vlog in Selfridges, but I literally didn't do anything. I was just like looking around. I saw a few things I added to my wish list, so I'm gonna like buy them. But yeah, that's it from me. I'll show you guys my food, but I will probably check in with you guys tomorrow. Here's my ramen, guys, and I also got some chicken. So yeah, I'm so excited. It looks so good. Good morning, guys. I'm tidying my filming room, which looks terrible. Hello Pixie, hello Kitty. Rejuvenating face patches. That's literally what I've got on right now because I obviously need to be rejuvenated. So that's basically what I'm doing. I'm probably just gonna have some coffee and then I'm gonna work, and then I'll make myself something to eat for lunch. I'm so tired. I woke up this morning and I feel so terrible. Like I got a sore throat. I just feel stuffy and run down and like not good. So I'm gonna just do what I need to do and tidy and then work, and then I'm gonna rest. Well, I'm gonna chill for the rest of the day. Hello guys, as you can see, I look, my plantain is burning. Hold on a minute. My plantain burnt, guys. Let me just put you guys here. I meal prepped this week. Basically, I'm sick. I don't know why. I'm just tired and I'm run down. And when I'm tired and run down, I get sick. So now I'm sick. So yeah, I'm just having some meal prep. And I'll show you guys when I'm done.